Oh, oh. Wow, this is getting fucking ridiculous. What's going on YouTube, and what up to the Dragon Squad? I am Ember, the Blaze.
And I'm Glacier, the Ice Ball.
And we are Reaction Dragons, coming to you from the Dragon's Lair. And a quick reminder, guys, join the Dragon Squad, and remember to do us a favor and check out MortifyMeOfficial.com. It's a great website where you can literally turn you and your friends into Rick and Morty characters. You can customize how many people are in your picture, you can customize the background, and right now, in addition to the 20% discount they're giving right now, if you use the promo code DRAGONS with a Z, you'll get an extra 10% discount. You don't want to miss on this. It's a great website where you can turn yourself into Rick and Morty characters. Look what they did for us. Remember, MortifyMeOfficial.com. Check it out. Thanks so much for your support, guys. Now, with that being said, what's on the menu for today, Glacier?
Another exciting episode of Rick and Morty, Season 1, Episode 2, Lawnmower Dog.
Lawnmower Dog, and I have no idea what the fuck to expect, but I'm sure it's going to be random as fuck. I'm ready to get the fuck in it, Glacier. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. After the first episode that we watched, the pilot, yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yep, it's probably super cliche to say that the pilot took flight. We're ready. We know the Dragon Squad's ready, so without further ado, let the reaction begin! Is that a new doggy?
Why are you looking at me? You want to go outside? Outside?
I was like, no.
Some dogs are smart and you can tell in their eyes. That one doesn't.
Come on! Praise him now, Morty! He just peed on the carpet! Bad dog!
Oh no!
Morty, come on.
The least you could do is put a little bit of it to use for the family. You make that
Yeah,
dog
let me
smart,
lick my ass.
or Morty's grounded.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
And just like that.
Like 2 seconds.
What's his name? Snuffles? Snuffles. Shake. Roll over.
Just like that, genius.
Go to the bathroom.
He uses the toilet.
Oh shit, like Mr. James from Meet the Parents.
Yeah, you're at the... What is it? It's a device, Morty, that when you put it in your ear, you can enter people's dreams, Morty.
Oh,
it's just
shit.
like that movie that you keep crowing about. You talking about Inception? That's right,
Fuck yeah.
Morty.
Oh,
This is
yeah.
gonna be a lot... Come on, let's just get over there and deal with this thing. Except your teacher, you're frustrating me.
You're frustrating me.
Next week on the Days and Nights of Mrs. Pancake.
Days and Nights of Mrs. Pancakes.
Why do they look green?
Spoilers. I'm a full
Spoilers.
season behind. Wow, Rick. It's about to get a whole lot weirder, Morty.
Oh,
Damn,
no.
that should knock him out.
We're gonna go into his dreams. Oh shit.
Wheat thins.
Make it bounce.
No, you didn't.
Oh, Janet.
Bounce on my knees.
With that.
Allah Akbar! We're gonna take control of
Oh,
this plane.
no.
We're gonna 9/11 it unless
Oh,
Morty
shit.
grades in
Shit.
math.
It's golden fold.
Golden fold.
Nice to meet you.
Oh my god, nice to weep.
Shit, you actually
Take
make it bleed.
cover, Morty.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I got gone. Oh, that's his dream.
If you get killed in someone else's dream, you die for real, Morty.
Oh shit.
Per the Inception rules.
Don't be...
This is what I'm
Wow,
talking
Snuggles
about.
fucking
This
pissed probably.
is a dog.
Oh yeah, this should play out just fine.
I have a feeling this is gonna get worse. He's gonna become like a fucking super genius. Oh no, he's
Oh shit, what is
shit,
that,
he's
batteries?
programming it?
Oh, the light bulb goes off, he has an idea. Oh no.
Oh fuck.
because I have a human shield.
Mrs. Pancake!
Mrs. Pancake.
They're all freaking out.
Oh no, Morty. The subconscious is panicking.
Oh shit.
You don't know me.
Oh no, Rick,
You don't
look!
know me.
Golden Fold landed the plane, and he's created a mechanical arm to pluck
What the
Mrs. Pancake's
fuck?
out of the air
What
while
the
he lets
fuck?
us fall into it. If we go into Mrs. Pancake's stream, everything will go 100 times slower,
Of
Morty.
course.
That'll buy us some time to figure this out.
You don't know me.
Shut up.
Damn, knocked her the fuck out.
Oh man, Rick,
Cross
this is
dress
pretty
party?
weird.
Oh shit.
Don't
Mrs.
judge
Pancake
Morty.
whipping a wizard.
Okay.
Oh my
all right,
God.
well, look, Miss
This
right
is
over
like
there.
that movie Eyes Wide
Just
Shut.
go ask her to tell Gold. We're gonna incept Mrs. Pancakes. We have to blend. I'll talk to you after lunch.
What the fuck? I'll talk to you after lunch. Ew.
Oh fuck!
Oh, come over here.
Come over here.
Like Jabba the Hutt.
Don't look up.
Oh,
no!
no.
Hey there, stranger.
Sexual hang-ups in the pleasure chamber are punishable by death. Off with
Fucking
your head.
senseless.
Time to go another dream deep.
Oh my god, they're
Yeah.
going full green.
Another dream within a dream.
Wow. I love it. Oh no, Freddy Krueger.
Oh shit, it's Freddy Krueger.
He looks like a fucking testicle.
Oh, here we go. Looks like some sort of legally safe knockoff of an 80s horror character with miniature swords for fingers instead.
Scary Terry! You can run, but you can't hide, bitch!
Scary Terry.
Whoa, hey,
Oh,
buddy.
wow.
What you
Snuffles fix. Make better. Humans understand Snuffles now.
Yeah, wow.
That is awesome.
Definitely going viral.
Snuffles what?
That this noble beast was transformed into man's subservient little buddy.
Oh shit, he's gonna like
Oh shit, he's in that.
start a revolution or something.
Airbud!
Airbud.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
The little girl.
Oh,
Wow, this is getting fucking ridiculous. It's still there.
it's the same shit.
Nothing but fear from here on out, bitch.
Holy crap, Morty. You can travel through dreams. So screwed.
Oh my gosh. Oh shit, he built himself a robot?
Where are my testicles, Summer?
Where are my testicles?
Snuffles was my slave name. You shall now call me Snowball.
Snowball.
Because my
Wait,
fur
but-
is pretty and white.
Snowball.
Okay. Snowball, just
Jerry, come to rub my face in urine again.
Oh no.
No, we were, just...
let's go.
Oh shit, that
Oh,
motherfucker's
shit.
got a bazooka.
Fucking Beethoven?
Walk when it is time to walk.
Oh,
Oh
no.
no.
What are we here for again? Incepting? We're trying to get me to get an A in math.
Why
yeah.
do we do this again?
Buckle up, bitch.
Buckle up, bitch.
Man, he keeps saying we can run, but we can't hide. I say we try hiding. I think it's a good idea, Rick. Worst case scenario, we're back to running.
6 dream hours later.
Oh, this is perfect,
He's like,
Morty. Look at
"I'm
that.
tired."
He's getting sleepy.
Oh shit, he's got a family.
Hi, honey.
Terry's a
You're
family
early.
man.
How was your ever want to
Shit,
talk
so
about it?
Get off my back, bitch.
Oh no.
I shouldn't take my anger out on you or Scary Brandon.
It's scary, Brandon.
I love you too, Terry.
After a little scary coitus, they should be fast asleep.
Scary
and then we'll
coitus?
accept him.
That means fucking.
Looks like Scary Terry's having a nightmare.
They look like
Boy,
California
Rick,
raisins.
I can only imagine what.
Oh no, I'm late to class, bitch. Oh no, I'm not wearing any pants.
I've
God.
had that dream before.
It is a nightmare.
Terry. Hey, yo, Scary T. Don't even trip about your pants, dog. Here's a pair on us, fool.
Oh, bitch. I don't know what to say.
You don't need to say anything.
Oh, hey, it's you guys.
Now we're
Seen him
friends.
this relaxed in
Wow.
years.
Going up the levels now.
I always hated that
Oh, yeah, you
song.
can travel through dreams. Oh,
Oh my
damn.
god. Now she's over.
Oh no.
Hey.
Let's go and travel back up.
Sex is sacred.
Oh shit.
This is because you don't give Morty Smith good grades, bitch.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
I'm giving Morty an A in math, and that's my idea. That
My
was an
idea.
original
You still got that thing in
thought.
his ear though.
Mission accomplished.
If we hurry, we could set up camp in a sewer tunnel or something before the dogs completely take over.
Whoa. We're not going anywhere. This is...
The dogs are on a path to total world domination. But
no.
hey, at least they know not to piss on your carpet, right?
Oh no.
I have an
It's
idea.
all your fault, Jerry.
Oh, wow's that part of the plan is done.
That means I own them.
Oh no.
Bad person. Bad.
Wow.
Ooh, great plan, Jerry.
Bring the boy to me. Begin phase 2.
Fighting continues.
Oh my
as the dog
God.
army
Oh,
captures
shit.
The eastern seaboard. It
Oh shit.
Oh my god. It's so froggy how they're like playing out the fucking outcome of this.
Yeah. Damn.
Meanwhile,
Morty is fine though. He's
Morty's like,
just chilling.
Thank you, Fido.
Oh fuck, Fido.
I thought you were dead. It's a dream, Morty. We're in your
What
dog's
the
dream.
fuck?
The
Oh.
night the dogs captured us, after you cried and crapped your pants, we all went to sleep. Dreams move 1/100th the speed of reality, and dog time is 1/7 human
Oh
time.
my God.
So every day here is like a minute. Well, at least I didn't really crap my pants. No, that happened before you went to sleep, Morty. Out there, I got some on my hands,
Ew.
Morty,
Ew.
and then I got it on the dream inceptor, and a piece fell in my mouth.
Gross.
Man, geez, seriously? It's gonna make your kidneys shut down.
Oh,
What?
fuck.
It's
Oh,
necessary
shit.
for the plan, Morty. Don't even trip, dog.
Your
Pretty
kidneys
bad
shut down.
Emperor
Wow.
Snowball. We're gonna need to do another
He's
operation.
disguised.
he's like, ugh.
Anything for my precious Morty.
Oh shit, was that a dream?
Assemble the troops. I've made a decision.
Shit, he had a frog.
Oh shit, they incepted
Taking
him.
over the humans' world will lead to nothing but more heartbreak.
I'm gonna miss you, Snowball.
You can call me Snuffles, Morty. And I'm going to miss you too.
Oh,
Very much.
right in his bosom.
Whole world populated by intelligent dogs. I mean, I'd watch it, Morty, for at least 11 minutes a pop. Maybe they'll do it board driven.
Fucking
That's
spin-off
a real
show?
comforting
Yeah,
idea,
spin-off, yeah.
Rick. What do you know?
I wonder this one, because I know the pilot didn't have after credits. I wonder if this one will have after credits.
Oh, I guess we'll find out.
This is how you dream, bitch.
Oh shit.
Woo! Well, there you have it. Episode 2, Lawnmower Dog. Glacier, what the fuck did you think?
Easily Dragon certified just because Inception actually was one of my favorite movies. Still is one of the top movies in my list. And when I was a kid growing up, I'd watch Freddy Krueger. So it's kind of cool how they combined them, even though it's Scary Terry or Larry, whatever his name is. But it was a good Rick and Morty episode. I thought it was very creative. Dragon certified.
Yep, absolutely. I mean, obviously Inception's a classic movie, and I loved how they like took that shit to the X degree and just went deeper and deeper and started fucking just jumping and incepting a fucking Minotaur and fucking Mrs. Pancake and then fucking Scary Terry. I think Scary Terry stole the show for me for this episode. But yeah, also the storyline with fucking Snuffles becoming self-aware and all that fucking world domination by the dolls was just to get him to stop pissing on the carpet. Thanks, Jerry.
Yeah.
But yeah, fucking great episode. Yeah, I can see this. The creativity and the writers of this show are fucking genius. And with that being said, Dragon certified, fucking hit it. There you have it, guys. Another one in the books. And I feel like we saw Snuffles in the episode we did watch, the season 4, episode 6.
Yeah, I remember seeing. Now we know it's Snuffles. I didn't know what it was. It was a robot dog.
It was like a brief,
random as fuck.
A brief appearance, and I saw. I was like, "Oh, fucking robot dog. That's cool. I think I saw him somewhere." But now we know. So thank you guys for recommending that we start at the beginning. And speaking of which, Dragon Squad, what did you think about this episode? Was this one of your? Would you say this is one of your top 5 episodes? Leave a comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and join the Dragon Squad. Because remember, it doesn't matter if you're at the Fire Squad or the Ice Squad. At the end of the day, when you're a dragon,
you're a dragon.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. At the end of the video, we are Reaction Dragons. I'm Ember, the Blaze.
I'm Glacier, the Iceborne.
And until next time, we'll see you next time.